Hey everyone, in the last video we have seen opportunity cost and we have talked about scarcity, and we have also discussed the three problems that an economy faces while allocating its resources. So in today's video we'll see, and in the last video we have also seen the classification of economics, which is basically macroeconomics and microeconomics. And it is ideal to learn microeconomics before jumping into macroeconomics, because it just lays the foundation of the economics and you tend to understand it better. Okay, so first of all, today I would give you the introduction of microeconomics. So it'll be a short video, right? So there are a couple of terminologies that I want you to be familiar with. The first of all, it's trade-off. So basically, what do you mean by trade-off? Trade-off, it's nothing but treat it as opportunity cost. Like basically in economics, whatever to get something, we need to trade it for something else, right? For example, if you want to buy an eraser, you basically trade with the shopkeeper for the eraser, and you in exchange you offer rupees or currency or something of value to the other person, like to the shopkeeper in our example, right? So that's what is trade-off. It is like similar to the opportunity cost. Okay, वही समझना opportunity cost क्या है सब. And also there's a popular saying in economics, like there is no free lunch in economics, right? It's philosophical, so matlab you can guess it. So the third thing is constraint optimization. I'm sure you must have heard the word optimization somewhere or the other. So basically, what do you mean by optimization? Optimization meaning to make a process as good as possible. That's what optimization is, right? Like for example, a software. If I want to optimize a software, it means I want to make the process of using the software as good as possible. Okay, so that is optimization. Now what is constraint optimization? Constraint optimization is the fact that when we put constraints into the optimization process is what we call constraint optimization. Like for example, constraint yani ki some constraints are some limitations that we put on the optimization. Like for example, अभी जैसे हॉस्टल में हम रह रहे हैं, so basically there are certain constraints that we need to follow in order to stay within the hostels, right? Like the end time, and कि यार ये चीज़ें नहीं करनी है, वो चीज़ें नहीं करनी है, right? So those are the constraints for living in the hostel. And what is optimization? Optimization is the making the living of people, or the living of hostelers inside the hostel as good as possible. Like रूम्स साफ रखना, कॉरिडोर साफ रखना. लाइक साफ करने वाले लोग आते हैं तो कॉरिडोर साफ रखते हैं. देर आर डस्टबिन्स एवरीवेयर, राइट? टॉयलेट्स क्लीन रहते हैं, सो कहीं गंदगी नहीं होती. वाटर कूलर साफ किया जाता है, हाँ वो अलग बात है, नहीं होता उतना, बट स्टिल लाइक ऑन पेपर इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. So that's constraint optimization. Now we basically as I've also explained about opportunity cost, and opportunity cost is a very important topic in economics, because most of the times we only deal with opportunity cost. And like जब तुम ये सब्जेक्ट पढ़ोगे तो तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट इज. एंड एक चीज़ होती है कि whenever someone asks you anything in economics, and if you are not certain or if you don't know the answer, just say opportunity cost, and most of the time that's what is the right answer. होता है ऐसा. Okay, so एक और बार समझ लेते हैं what is opportunity cost. To give you a clear idea, and in what context it is used in microeconomics. right? So opportunity cost is the every action or inaction. Okay, so every action you lose something, like you forego something in order to pursue an action, or similarly for every inaction you also forego something. Like for example, if I want to go to library, I have to forego the opportunity of spending that amount of time